Velma, my name is Velma Walker. I am here at Nurse Medical Care, and I'm on this diet committee, and I'm one of the people that's on it, and I'm thoroughly enjoying what we're doing here. One of the main things they do at Nurse Medical Care Diet Committee is educate our clients. Now, first of all, let me give you a little education on a couple of three things that I've thought of right away, and so we can try to help you to understand, because the main thing about it is education versus non-education. Okay, first of all, I want to talk to you about wheat bread versus white bread. Now, we all know wheat bread is a source of fiber, whereas white bread doesn't have fiber in it. Now, when you on wheat bread,
Hold it.
who was that? What was that, ma'am?
Hold it. Hold it. My name is Mabel Sue Fine. Mabel Sue Fine, that's who I am. And I tell you,
Miss Fine?
well, you know, and one thing about it, people could be misled. Because I was misled for over the years. And I tell you one thing about it, I went on a wheat bread fiber diet for a whole month. Just wheat bread alone. Wheat bread alone, I want you to know. And I tell you what, a whole month I went on wheat bread fiber. And I tell you, I don't mean no harm, I don't mean to laugh. But I ended up in it wasn't funny when it happened. I ended up in the hospital, I tell you. One thing, I ended up in the hospital, and then the doctor threw me up on the table. He told me I was malnutrition. Yes, he did. Yes, he did. I mean, it's funny now. We can laugh about it, y'all, but I want y'all to know I was on that wheat bread for a whole full month. Now you know, but I thank God. Like he said, you were malnutrition. You didn't have no kind of protein or nothing. So that I tell you one thing, that just show you how people can be misled. Yes, they can.
Well,
they can be misled.
Okay, Miss Fine, can I say one thing?
I just want you to know I'm sorry.
I understand. No problem. No problem.
I don't mean no harm.
No problem, Miss Fine.
Okay.
But let me just say something to you. When you take the bread, did you drink water?
Well, I'll tell you one thing.
Well, you know, we believe in discipline in drinking water.
Now, there's one thing about it. Now, let me tell you here. Now, I'm talking about wheat bread. I ain't talking about all the other stuff. Now, wheat bread, I would drink 1 glass of water. Now, that's just the thing is, I know that they tell you about this 6, 8, 10 glasses of water a day, but I didn't care that much about water. But I just had wheat bread. I ended up in the hospital. But I'm gonna take my seat right now. But I just want people to know that, just make sure you get the right information before you walk out of anybody's office. Get an understanding. That's what I want you to do.
Well, thank you, Miss Fine.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank
yes,
you,
ma'am.
Okay, now we have a very educated client, I can see. Miss Fine, next thing we want to talk about is fiber versus starches. Now, we all know that fiber is good for the body because it fills the body up, it makes you feel full and you don't stay hungry. And when you eat starches, it just turns to fat. And we want you to know that we use fiber. We educate you on fiber.
Hold it, Miss.
What was that, ma'am?
Miss, I don't mean no harm. I just don't mean no harm again. The audience, excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Miss Speaker, I don't mean no harm.
Yes, ma'am.
I tell you one thing, I went on fiber diet alone. I went on fiber diet for a whole month. Yes, I did. For a whole month, just fiber alone. I tell you, it was the worst thing in my life that I could have done. They said, just take fiber. And I said, well, I'll tell you one thing, I just go on fiber diet and just nothing else. I tell you, I went up in the hospital a second time. Yes, I did, second time around. Yes, I did. Oh, yeah, it's funny now, Wally, you can laugh. It's okay. Because it wasn't funny then when it happened.
We're not laughing.
Well, that's okay. But I'll tell you one thing, he threw me up on that table. He said, now look at you. And they put RVs on me, putting me up, and just start pouring